This is the general message to YouTube. For YouTube Create to go around the world, what is it taking time? And we are expecting it. At times they will invite us, say, okay, come and use this app, test this app and see. But in our country, we are not eligible to use the app. So I think it's better for YouTube to make a way for us so that we can start using YouTube Create. Because instead of using other apps to edit our videos, we can use YouTube Create and then edit our video, then upload it on YouTube. It will make it simple and good for us. So to me, I'm appealing that if the app can be used all over the world, that I will appreciate. I don't know about you, whether you have it wherever you are, but here in Nigeria, we don't have it and some other parts of the world. So we need YouTube Create. I believe you look into this and then help us to use the YouTube Create because we love YouTube.